everyone, I wanted to make a video to walk you through the database assignment. I thought this may be a little easier and it may make it just a little bit clearer for everyone. In Module 3, we are currently in Module 3 or Unit 3. We have an assignment to search library databases. Okay, so you are provided with two additional resources. One is this McMaster guide, and the other is the CUW portal. So you can click these links, and of course they will take you directly to the page that we will be looking at. I have already done so, so I'm just going to pull up the tabs that I have already put the links into. This is the McMaster page that the link will take you to. This is from McMaster University. This is an excellent evidence-based practice library page to utilize. At the very top of the page you can see a hierarchy of evidence, which is used for evidence-based practice and determining what type of research articles you're looking for and where to find them. And this pyramid simply describes how to find that and what you're looking for and where that information is. So take a look at this. This is great. We'll be going through this more, and we actually talk about this too in your readings later on, so you can take a look at this. But for this particular assignment, there is a list of databases, and they're broken into sections based off the pyramid, which is great. So whenever you're looking for information, utilize this site because it's already broken down in the sections for what you're looking for, which is awesome. Okay, so McMaster University, which is a university in Canada, has developed this great kind of overall system of looking for databases. Essentially, what we want to know is which of these databases can we access through, one, the CUW portal, and two, which of these databases can you access at your occupational setting. Okay, so in order to complete this assignment, there are two things that I am asking you to do. The first thing is to make a list of the databases that you can access from the CUW portal, and then the second is to make a list of the databases you can access from your personal or your own occupational setting. So the second link provided here under additional resources is the CUW portal. So if you click on that, it'll take you to Concordia's wonderful list of databases that are available to you. When you're looking for information, it's essential to know where to find it and to know what you have access to use to search for articles. So in order to know, you have to figure it out. So that's essentially what we're going to do. So just for example, one of the databases that you will find on here is the Cochrane Library. We want to know if the same database is available in the CUW portal, and I know it is. So as you can see, here it is. So essentially, you want to make a list based off the CUW portal. Write down which of these databases that you see on the McMaster website that you can also access within your CUW portal. Okay, that's the first part. The second part is to do the exact same thing using the McMaster website and write a list showing which databases you can access from your occupational setting. Now the reason for doing this is because, one, you won't always be at CUW and you may not always have the link available to you to pull up the portal to get to the databases. So it's essential to know what you can pull up in your occupational setting, so you can just use those databases, and then that way you have an idea all the way around of what you have available to you at all times when you're looking for information. So Again, you're going to make two lists. One is to make a list of all the databases from the McMaster website that you can access through CUW. And then the second list is to write a list of all the databases you can access based off, again, the McMaster guide site, what you can access on your occupational setting portal. So that's all to the assignment, but I know sometimes it can get a little fuzzy when it's written. So I thought I'd make a video to kind of make that clear. And when you have some time, take a look, play around with this, and I would make this page a favorite because you're probably going to use this a lot in your practice and in class. So it's a great resource to have. So make sure you guys favorite on your computer so that way you can always get to it if you want to use it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to send them over. Hopefully this kind of breaks things down for you and makes it easier to understand.